अब बोलियो क्या बोला था?
I know you saw it, sir. Please marry me, sir. Give me BBC.
मैं अब फिर से तुम्हारी रिकॉर्ड करने।
Okay, I am here with
वंश
जोर से बोल
वंश
Adnan, Sujanam, Ram.
Ram, and these three are students. I am taking admission over here. I have form right in front of me. I just need to give the test जो ये लोग help करेंगे मेरे को देने में. So if any faculty is watching, they have equal part in this. I'm not alone. And he is also a visitor over here. मुझ छुपा के कोई फायदा नहीं है भैया. Okay, but and let's see what are the realities because record तो everything मेरे को पता है जो video I'll post is suppressed under a lot of people in the campus. So now I just wanted to put a raw video because I've been staying here for 2 to 3 days. I'm seeing all the things that have been happening. So yeah, let's have a fun talk shit ass session. Ram bhaiya,
Yeah.
how is your experience? Direct,
Honest, raw.
honest and raw.
Yeah, I'm going to be honest about the experience that I had over there. So basically, I'm a student in Newton School of Technology. Okay, so it's kind of the department that teaches CSE with AI, artificial intelligence. So Rishud is just involved with us till RUFP section. Okay. And after that, for all the tech things, we have this Newton thing over here.
Okay.
And if I talk about the Rishud basically, so academic में जितना RUFP और campus life हाँ सारा वो Rishud से associated रहता है. So experience is like okay decent. What I expect from a college कि हाँ college है तो ठीक है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. More of a school vibe कि you have to get up उसके बाद classes are compulsory, attendance pressure, all those things like कि हाँ बहुत
Average private
बहुत school
university
structure
shit.
है. Yeah, you have contests every Friday, every week.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, so you have to.
it keeps you on your toes.
How many forms in this podcast?
No, I'm not beeping anything. And I cannot beep a lot.
Well, that's fine. I don't abuse. You don't
Yeah.
have to.
Okay, I will have his quota.
Okay.
Vansh.
Vansh, yeah. What do you do and what the fuck are you doing right now? तो बता ना
तुम
भाई.
बताओगे ना. They don't know.
Yeah.
I am right now working on a project which is one of the modules.
He's a design student basically.
Yeah, and basically he's not working on his project. इसका late assignment जा चुका है.
Yeah.
तो
No,
he's like,
the submission is actually tomorrow.
it's today,
Yeah.
Today.
It's today
It's
in the morning.
today.
He has to submit it.
and he has
Eight
started
hours.
it right now. So
No, I have. It's a part of the project.
yeah,
And
so I'm
like
starting
he-
it right now, right? You can't deny the fact that I'm starting it right now. And you.
Oh, I'm second year student at Newton School, but I also work
He's
as
a
an
senior.
intern in influencer marketing Rishud.
And I was invited by him.
Yeah, so all the credit goes to me for this video.
Okay, so what are the three things तीनों में जो ने सोचा था कि okay this will be fun but turned out to be very different. This will be very helpful, turned out to be very different, and okay didn't expect this much but got more than that. तीन expect cover हो जाएंगे इससे.
Okay.
First of all,
Got it.
expected this but didn't get this.
Expected this, but I didn't get this. Free
Yeah.
time.
I
Free
expected
time.
24/7 campus. but I didn't get
24/7
it.
cross. Okay.
But I think that it's gonna get changed.
Yeah, I wanted to be
Changed.
And you
More freedom.
more freedom.
I-
A design like he's searching for
हाँ यार,
freedom.
design freedom.
Exactly.
Actually, hair design is more hectic than even BTech. They have to
Yeah.
do a lot of.
हमारा क्या
more
होता
than
है
us.
बीटेक वाले हफ्ते में एक दिन रात को फट के अपना दे देते हैं.
वो नहीं कर सकता.
मैं नहीं कर सकता. मेरे को अगर मैंने अपना असाइनमेंट नहीं दिखाया तो नहीं दिखाया. I have manual labor work here.
Hi guys, I am
Hi
Adit,
guys.
BTech student.
Hello guys.
Of
And
course.
the fact is, if you are going to be the next Mr. Fresher, then he's going to give you.
I'll
that
give you the
thing,
reward.
because he was the Mr. Fresher of our batch. He'll give you that Mr. Fresher man. He's not gonna give you anything, but he can dance with you. a
Yes,
lot
he'll dance
on
with
that
you.
Freshers day.
Yeah.
Okay, the same question from both of you.
Yeah.
What did you expect that the campus should have given you, but it's not providing?
Not just campus college.
Exactly.
And you don't have to mention you didn't.
Non-veg food.
Non-veg but still. इसको नहीं मिला.
Not genuine question.
मेरे को भी नहीं मिला.
I'm pure veg, but still इसको नहीं मिला.
Chicken.
Same,
chicken
same.
please.
Veg.
इसके लिए दुखी हूँ.
सर्वाइवल के लिए जरूरी है.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है.
अरे यार तू जानता नहीं है भाई.
मैं
Now it was 3 and now it's almost 7.
We are 7.
Five.
We are
Now we are 7.
24/7. I missed that.
24/7. Same points.
Same point.
Plus 2. Same point.
Plus 2.
रात को रहने का मन करता है वैसे भी
हाँ और क्या अगले दिन कॉन्टेस्ट हो 3 बजे बाहर
एग्जैक्टली हवा चाहिए इतना अच्छा माहौल है
और क्या
What are you both studying?
we are studying BTech from NST
With Newton or with Rishi?
Newton
just like
From
I'm risking it all off.
Yeah.
just like Ali risk
The way he risked it all, we risked it all. You are also going to risk it all.
नहीं
भाई।
ये दूसरा कुछ है ना उसको
Your
Experience.
Raw and honest.
about NST it was a great experience so far जो लोग बोलते हैं कि नया कॉलेज है क्या होगा it was all positive ऐसा कुछ नेगेटिव साइड दिखा नहीं बस यही है कि नॉन वेज नहीं मिलता वो मंगवा लेते हैं बाकी 24/7 खुल जाए
Your experience.
कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं जो कि नहीं पसंद है जैसे केटल्स नहीं अलाउड है
हमें तो
खा के कुछ भी हुआ तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं है कल
तुम
चले जाओगे।
25 लाख नहीं दे रहे हो, हम
मैं
25 लाख दे रहे
मैं
हैं।
कैंपस की जिम्मेदारी पे हूँ मेरे को कुछ हो गया मेरे माँ बाप आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे लड़ाई करने के लिए मेरे कैसे हुआ कुछ
So I think this is average hostel story of
Yes.
hiding electric
Yeah.
products and everything. Anything else?
something that you regret
Yeah, anything that you regret
something that I regret is
after joining this campus, apart from studies, curriculum, or anything?
RUFP का थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ लेता
nice it's easiest
कॉलेज आने से पहले थोड़ा सा कोडिंग कर लेता जैसे मान तो इजी हो जाता पूरा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर
No regrets.
जिंदगी है
Any regrets before
मजा आ रहा है।
joining this college?
मजा भी नहीं आ रहा
मजा नहीं आ
Any
रहा।
regrets before joining this college?
after
Yeah.
joining
Before you बोल दे भाई after you बोल
In the camera.
any regrets
Any regrets? Joining this is only a regret,
कोई
right?
वो वाले regret नहीं
Your regrets.
yes
So my life is a regret. Okay.
That's all we had.
That's all.
yes very
No,
wrong
no, it's not all. You tell, how was your experience? Because you have spent, I think you have met a lot of people.
कैसा
On
लगा?
campus, you,
Yeah,
you did a lot of things. So how,
Yeah.
how's your
What
experience?
taught you to do it?
Means we cannot close it until and unless you tell what
Yeah,
you had in the
that is
campus
good
today.
My experience was first of all,
Yeah.
I didn't think कि भाई everyone will be so friendly and so approachable. Firstly I met him, then him, and then him, and then ये इनके roommates हैं.
नहीं
Forced to be roommates.
no
These two are roommates, they had a lot of love and differences. Yes.
romance
Bromance.
Romance.
or something more
भाईचारा on top.
भाईचारा।
भाईचारा on top.
higher
Yeah. अरे कभी कभी क्या होता कभी कभी क्या होता
उसके लिए वॉशरूम में आता
Okay. Rather than rest of the campus, it's still clean,
yes
breathable,
yes
and
any crazy stories
Yeah, after video.
Any
editing.
stories of
okay.
कुछ crazy stories पता नहीं
Any PG-13 story that you can share.
वीडियो बहुत पकड़ते हैं क्रेजी स्टोरी कैमरा में आपको एचडी क्वालिटी में दिखाते हैं आप ये करते पाएंगे
आज पकड़ा पीडीए
आपने पीडीए किया है आप एचडी क्वालिटी
I'm
में
not
आप
even
आते
sure
हो
we did
So
करते भी या नहीं।
basically, and yeah we are not sure
Safety and security में we can put this. Tick mark to
हाँ
them.
मतलब यार ध्यान रखो देखो
हाँ।
ध्यान
Yeah,
इतना भी नहीं है।
पकड़े मत जाओ
इन चीजों से बचो और नहीं बच रहे हो तो पकड़े मत जाओ बट बचो क्योंकि फिर फाइन दोगे तुम्हारा ही लॉस है
हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम हर जगह होगा 24/7 इजी बनगा
24/7
that's why you should not have a RSS name
Why?
he is going political let's avoid
Yeah, let's not. पता चले video put down हो जाए. Yeah. So we cannot.
क्योंकि भी बाहर आए बुलडोजर के साथ
इसमें बहुत कुछ काटना पड़ जाएगा
और गाली से
बीजेपी
काट-
ज्यादा काटना नहीं पड़ेगा
हाँ?
इट्स बीजेपी नॉट सम
Tell me about your place. What do you think? How it?
प्लेसमेंट अभी देखो फर्स्ट ईयर है तो इंटर्नशिप की बात करते हैं कि अभी तक इंटर्नशिप तो स्टार्ट हो गई है एंड वी होप कि हमारी लग जाए तो बेसिकली जो करिकुलम है दैट इज बेस्ड इन सच अ वे कि हमें पढ़ा दिया उतना इंटर्नशिप के लिए बट बाकी
irritating
Okay, but let's just chop it off over here.